soaked my cashews in boiling water overnight, so it makes them a little bit more plump. I strain them. I'm going to put them in my blender. This is about 3 or 4 minutes, just grinding, nothing else in there, just the raw cashews that I soaked overnight. So you can see they're still a little bit wet, which is good, and crumbly. We're gonna leave that in a little longer and see what happens. This is what happened after I pulsed it on high for just, I don't even think it was a minute, a few times. So it's getting that creamy consistency. I just took a bite and it's very flat. If that's what you want, that's just plain cashews ground up. So I added about half of that, maybe a little more than that. It gave it a much more salty, nutty taste. Don't want to forget to share the fun part of trying to take all the butter off of your blades. There it is, my own cashew butter. Looks creamy. So 2 ingredients: cashews, unsalted, unroasted, and salt. And my mixer, cashew butter. If you can't have peanut butter, you can spread it on toast. I'm actually going to cook with it today and make some chocolate and cashew butter bars.